Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Tuesday. Markets were in the red again today, with the S&P 500, Dow, and small cap Russell 2000 all closing around 1% lower. But the tech-heavy NASDAQ 100 had an even deeper loss, ending 1.8% down. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, just 3 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher: energy, consumer staples, and financials. To the downside, tech was the worst performing sector, falling more than 2% on the day, followed by consumer discretionary and real estate. Looking at some stocks on the move, Target shares jumped to their highest in almost a year today after reporting strong fourth quarter earnings, as well as announcing a new loyalty membership program. The company plans to relaunch Target Circle on April 7th with 3 new membership options. The stock closed up around 12%. Tesla, on the other hand, fell nearly 4% in the session following reports of a fire that shut down its Berlin factory. Authorities suspect arson. The stock continued its fall that began on Monday following reports of weak EV February sales in China. So far, shares are down nearly 11% for the week. And finally, Apple shares slipped nearly 3% following reports of weakening iPhone demand in China as sales fell 24%. The tech company is facing increased competition from Chinese smartphone brand Huawei, which reported unit shipments that were up 64% year over year in the first 6 weeks of 2024. Apple shares are down nearly 12% year to date. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. For data, we'll see ADP employment and JOLTS. Then for earnings, pre-market, we'll hear from JD.com, Abercrombie & Fitch, Foot Locker, and Campbell Soup. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.